Spunky School's getting some special guests. And it's time for them to make an entrance. Step aside, Saja boys. Huntrix has arrived. Looks like they have a few fans around here. And Oren's already got hearts in his eyes. Uh-oh, Pinky's giving Ratty some competition. Here, some Halloween cosplay should cheer you up. Or maybe a wintry look. Wait, hold on. You guys can make your own girl group. Now you'll be sure to help Pinky win Oren back. Or get a movie deal, whichever comes first. Aw, Oren noticed Pinky after all. That said, let's just hope some monsters don't attack the school in the next 5 seconds. For Rumi, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out. All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. Some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Rumi's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight, and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do?
Yay!
We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than ramen. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Rumi's favorite flavor. But aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh gimbap. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than gimbap.
Wow.
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow.
But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. Make a nice sturdy box. Seal it up. And make like a kangaroo and add a pouch. Of course, we also want it personalized. I was thinking writing her name, but that works too. Either way, Pinky's one happy customer. Time to show it off. Uh-oh, looks like Derpy ate your homework. You think the teacher might believe that? 'Cause something tells me she's on the warpath. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you, Pinky. But she's nothing to be afraid of, especially when we've got cardboard to help us. Yes, cardboard. It can make all your dreams come true. And it looks like Rumi is her source of inspiration. Now she's here to help you clean up. Makes sense. She's got a real talent for taking out the trash. We can always make new cool tools. Or wait until June. It's more fun to make a tinfoil wand instead. And he won't take it if he thinks it's just a pen. After all, a girl's got a right. Okay. Lunchtime. It's Mira's favorite. Extra spicy ramen. Uh-oh, lunch isn't until next period. Let's hope this stuff tastes better cold. Always fun to take photos of your friends. Especially when you've got a craft in mind. Take some pink, Mira's signature color. And draw her up a whole new hairstyle. but we're going for the full body look. Who says paper dolls don't have moves? Wow, this really puts a new spin on things. I think Mira likes her new mini-me.
Hey.
Passing notes in class? Not in his class. Oh, Rumi, haven't you heard of texting? Well, maybe Derpy can help you out. He might seem a little two-dimensional, but he's always here to help keep your secrets. Aw, a teeny tiny BFF note. You know what that means? A teeny tiny envelope. Quick, give it to Derpy. And hide it in your mouth. Try not to swallow. Here, Mira. Nothing to see here.
What?
She's just taking care of the class pet. Aw, Mira, you're Rumi's best friend forever. You know, that was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation, and Derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. Grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps. 'Cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper for our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat or drink your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, we're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Jinu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Jinu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword? Or the pen? That's right, your voice! And I should know. So make yourself a microphone! I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin. Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top.